Hi there, my name is Dr. Ehsan Sequai, and I am the founder and CEO of Inspirational Management Australia and the facilitator for your workshop on forgiveness that is coming up very soon. I'm very excited to be facilitating this very important workshop for you and your colleagues. So in order to prepare for the workshop, we do have a few activities that we'd love you to engage in. One of them is the forgiveness scale, which can be accessed through a platform, which with the links that will be available with this video. This forgiveness scale, essentially all it does is give us and you a baseline of where you're sitting in terms of your forgiveness. Is it high, is it low, is it medium? And there's no right or wrong. It is just to see that where you're at and how much room you have for improving your forgiveness. So we'd love you to complete that questionnaire before the workshop so that you can see how the workshop and the activities and the follow-ups and implementation of some of the things we will talk about and discuss in the workshop actually impact your forgiveness. Now, forgiveness is a very important and powerful way of being. And cultivating forgiveness gives you access to peace of mind. It gives you access to empowerment. It gives you access to having more positive relationships. It gives you access to high levels of well-being and effectiveness. So it is a powerful workshop, and I'm really excited to be running this with you and your colleagues. So I look forward to engaging with you very soon, and thank you for being with me and trusting me to run this with you, and I'm really looking forward to see you at the workshop. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.